What's going on, guys? Today we've got the Triton 5s in from GoldenEar. I've had these in the lobby for about, I don't know, maybe 2-3 months now. Just haven't gotten around to doing it. But now's the time to do it because I've gone through a lot of my reviews. So we're actually going to hook this up to the Cambridge Edge audio system. But for now, we're just going to unbox these things. These are the lower entry into the GoldenEar's lineup. They are $1,000 a piece or $2,000 a pair. So we're going to get them unboxed and I'll go over a few tech specs. As for tech specs, each speaker is covered in black speaker cloth. In order to get a better view of the drivers, you'll have to remove the top plate and pull down the speaker sock. Once you've undressed it, you'll find two 6-inch mid-bass drivers in an MTM configuration, mid, tweeter, mid. Between each 6-inch driver is the high-velocity folded ribbon tweeter. These tweeters are used in every Triton speaker all the way up to their top model. As we move towards the bottom of the speaker, you'll find four 8-inch planar infrasonic sub-bass radiators. That's really fancy for saying passive radiators. There's two on each side. These will help enhance low-frequency extension down to 26 Hz. For connections around back, you have one set of gold-plated binding posts. Now these are what I consider living room friendly sized towers. They're not overly big and overpowering, nor are they tiny. They measure 44¼ inches high by 12 3/8 inches deep by 6 5/8 inches wide up front and 8 1/8 inches wide around back. If you're wondering why the front measures differently from the back, that's because it's got non-parallel front and rear baffles and side cabinet walls. It was designed this way to better control internal standing waves. So it's wider at the bottom than up top and wider in the rear than up front. The front baffles angled slightly back to better align the tweeter at your height when you're sitting down. This should make for simpler speaker placement. Per GoldenEar's website, the recommended power for each speaker is between 15 and 400 watts per channel. The Cambridge Audio Edge W amplifier we'll be using is rated at 100 watts per channel into 8 ohms, so it should have no problems driving the speakers, and we'll be posting a review for the Edge series very shortly. Now this is just a quick unboxing and overview. If you guys want to check out the full review, we'll be posting the video over on the Audioholics channel very soon. So be sure to head over there if you haven't subscribed already. Now this is going to be the first time I've had a pair of GoldenEars in my home, and from everything that I've read, they give more expensive speakers a run for their money, so I'm really looking forward to checking them out. Now if any of you guys have some GoldenEar speakers in your setup, let us know how you feel about the sound quality and what are some things that we should look out for. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again in the next one.